Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Power BI Learning. So today we will learn about the text function using DAX. This text function can also be used with Power BI query editor, but if we have um, custom requirement in our table, then we can also use this function with the help of DAX. So here in the customer table we have a customer name, we have left name as well as right name. So I want to extract the left name, so for that let me add a new column, and I will name it as a left name. So for left we will use the DAX function called left, and text is in text we which we want to use is in the customer name. So customer table customer name. So here it is asking for number of characters. So if we provide number of character, it will only extract the data till that value. So here I have provided 4. So now it will extract the 4 characters of the first names, which is not correct. So how we will use the first name as a correct? So for that we want the data till the delimiter in the customer name. So here we have a delimiter for space. So till space we will use the logical function. So for that we will use find. So here we want to find the space, and from where? Customer name, from the customer table. And starting position is, we want the starting position to be the first, so we do not need to mention one, we can simply mention comma. And if there is no value, no space found, then return the value as 0. So let us see if it extract the correct value. So now if you see, the value has been extracted for the first name, but here it has also extracted the space. So we, if we want to remove the space, we can use trim, which we also use in Excel. So now the trim function has removed the space as well. So the second function is, we want the right name also. So add a new column, we will mention it as right name. So the syntax is right from customer. So right from customer table customer name. So here again it is asking for the number of character, but we want the right name, so with the number of character we will only get the those number of characters. Here what we will do, we will use the full length of character and minus space. So what will we do, we use full length of the character, how many, what is the length of character, and minus till space. So for that we will use len function, length function, from customer table customer name. So it will calculate the length of the customer name. So now we will minus till space. So we will use the find function, and we want a space within customer table, and starting position will be start, because from starting till the space we want to subtract the value and 0. So let us see. So now it has extracted the correct value. So last name has been extracted, what we required. So in today's video we have covered left, right, trim and length text function. So remember, these can also be used with the Power Query Editor, but whenever we need the customize value, then we can simply use the DAX function as well. So if you want the Excel, I will provide the um, video link in the last at the last of the this video, so you can go and download this spreadsheet from the uh, link. And happy learning and be safe. Thank you.